33 Shocking Financial Facts About Turkey. 1. The banking sector is concentrated among a few major institutions. 2. State influence affects lending and interest policies. 3. Non-performing loans fluctuate with economic cycles. 4. Deposit insurance covers limited amounts only. 5. Regulatory oversight is improving but inconsistent. 6. Banks rely heavily on both domestic and foreign capital. 7. The lira has experienced extreme depreciation. 8. Inflation reached record levels multiple times in recent years. 9. Household debt is rising but remains sensitive to interest changes. 10. Credit card interest rates are very high. 11. Government borrowing relies on local banks. 12. Currency volatility increases import and consumer costs rapidly. 13. The Borsa Istanbul is volatile and sensitive to political events. 14. Retail investors are highly active but risk-exposed. 15. Dividends are important for income-seeking investors. 16. Foreign capital flows influence market stability. 17. Regulatory intervention can move stock prices quickly. 18. Commodity dependence increases market vulnerability. 19. Starting a business involves bureaucratic hurdles. 20. SMEs are the backbone of the economy. 21. Labor regulations vary but are enforced strictly. 22. State-owned enterprises play a major role in key sectors. 23. Corruption perception affects investor confidence. 24. Corporate governance is improving but unevenly applied. 25. Central bank policies directly impact inflation and currency. 26. Interest rate decisions are politically sensitive. 27. Inflation spikes reduce purchasing power rapidly. 28. Fiscal deficits influence borrowing costs. 29. Government intervention in markets is frequent. 30. Cryptocurrency adoption is growing rapidly among youth. 31. Exchanges are now regulated but face scrutiny. 32. Capital gains taxation applies to digital assets. 33. Fintech and blockchain innovation are monitored closely by authorities.